In this short video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to set up AutoGPT on your computer so you can have an AI working for you 24/7, which is pretty awesome. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Terminal, and Terminal is where we're going to install all this. If this is intimidating to you, don't worry, I'm a regular dude as well, and I did not know how to code prior to this. I did not go to school for this type of stuff. So I'm just going to make this tutorial as easy as possible. And just remember that you can do anything, and these are just words on a screen, and it's just an ugly screen. And yes, now I know how to code, but I didn't know before, and I promise you I'm just like a regular dude that did not do well in school. So let's just follow along here. I'm gonna make this as easy as possible, and it's really not that hard. And with ChatGPT and things these days, you can actually have it code for you. So it's like the best time in the world to start getting a little bit functional in coding. You don't have to be a genius, because watch this. I could say, hey, build me a Python trading bot with CCXT that buys Bitcoin over the 20 SMA. I can say something like this, and ChatGPT will go ahead and build it for me. So we're in the day and age that knowing a little tiny bit of code can get you a long way. We'll watch this work while I go ahead and show you exactly how to get AutoGPT installed and running on your computer. The first thing you want to do is download Anaconda, which is pretty much, if you know how to code, you know what it is, and you might already have it, but it allows you to make virtual environments. And a virtual environment is like a bucket on your computer. It's like a folder that can keep everything separated. So AutoGPT is an AI, right? So if the AI takes over your computer, well, the AI will just take over this folder instead. So it's safe. It's a lot safer to do it this way. Just click download for Mac or Windows, install it, and once you're installed, move on to the next part. And the next part is we want to go ahead and make a virtual environment. So how do we do that? Well, here we would say conda in your terminal, conda create, and then we'd say -- name, and then we'd put the name we want. So whatever the name we want, let's just call this auto-gpt, or whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to say Python equals 3.10, and then I'm going to hit enter. Again, if this looks foreign to you, I'm sorry, but it is what it is, and you will get better at this. I know it's like a dark screen, and I was very intimidated by anything coding when I first got started. It'll say proceed, say yes. It's going to install a bunch of stuff, and this is just so you can have Anaconda set up. And then we want to, you can see here, it actually gives us all the instructions. It's just hard to read because it's all dark and stuff. But I'm going to say conda activate AutoGPT. It just says to activate this environment. So we activate it. Okay, now we're in this environment. So we're in this folder, right? And we can go ahead and now download the AutoGPT. So one good way to do this is just Google, or I'm going to try to put the link below, but I might forget. So Google AutoGPT GitHub. And then we're looking for this one, significant gravitas. I hope that's not a word we know, because I just butchered it. But this should lead us to this one. Clone this repo into the directory of AutoGPT. This one actually doesn't look like the exact one. So let's see. Okay, here we go. I've got the exact one we need now. And AutoGPT. So I'm just going to put the link below. And sorry,